Yes, sir. Rise and grind, man. Back at you with another video with the Pull Up King. See what we got here this morning. We got a 2013 Honda Civic LX. Placing an alternator on it. It's located at the top. I'll go ahead and knock this out. Should be straightforward. Got a new belt. Belt popped off on it because of the alternator. The pulley is stuck. Won't even turn. So let's get it. You want to first remove your power wire. Positive. Alright, you can remove the power wire here. Connector. This wire harness. You can remove this from this bracket here. Just pull back on this tab. It's a lot of rust. Bracket right there. A 10 mil right here. I removed that. This thing is so rusted. All that rust. It was hard to even slide that off. That's the thing about these rusted vehicles, man. These cars from up north. Look at all that. I would hate to have to do work on this vehicle like this. Any messing with these type of bolts. Whew. But luckily we just got this one here. Focus. We got that bolt. Top. And we got the bottom. Alright, get a better look this way. Alright, that's the top bolt. Top. And the bottom. Right there. Alright, 12 mil broke that loose. Bottom bolt. That's the bottom one, right next to the water pump pulley. Had to find a way to get to that bottom one with that deep 12 mil. I put a breaker bar on it. You see how close it is to the frame. So my regular ratchet would not fit. Was it gonna work? It's a slim head too, so, and I made sure it was a long one so I can get a little leverage to break that free. Push it forward, and there we go. And that's that bottom bolt, the shorter one. Got one right here. Pry bar and get in between here. Get that out of there. Pulley don't even turn. Stuck. That one turned, no problem. It went so bad it cracked it. All of them cracks. Thing tried to jump out the hood. Alright. Those holes there. Should be it. Alright, we got that nice and tight. And we got that other one that we gotta get off. Gotta try to work that one off. Alright, that worked out. And then we should have one more on the other. That one right there. Alright, that worked out. And we can go ahead and reinstall. want to show y'all real quick though. Belt tensioner. This is it right here. And we're gonna have to put a socket on that end. And I'm gonna show you how to put the belt on, release the tension. This whole thing just attaches. It's crazy. I replaced one of these on my channel before. It was a bitch. Alright, just like that. And we can add our bolts. Alright, we're looking good. We in there. Everything looking good. Next we gotta get this belt on. Gotta find a belt diagram. Let's see what we got. Got that belt routed. It's ready to go over the alternator. Time to get on this. We gotta get on this belt tensioner, 19 mil. Alright, this is how I'm getting it. I'm gonna release that tension. 3/8 breaker bar and a 19 mil socket. And I'm gonna use this. I took a piece of my what is this? The jack. One piece of it, half of it, and I'm gonna put it on there like that, and just push up on it, and it releases the tension. And we got the belt on. Now this is very important because that tensioner is like hydraulic. It's got like a hydraulic unit on it. It's gonna be it, really, man. Go ahead, start it up. I'll put your battery terminal back on, start it up. And I'm gonna test the battery and alternator, make sure it's good before I leave her.